LinkedIn video is exploding, but most creators are still posting text or carousels, images. If you start now, you will own attention that others are sleeping on. Welcome to Let's Talk Digital by CreazionMedia. I'm your host Gaurang Agarwal, and in today's episode, we're diving into one of the most underused yet high impact tool be marketing, that is LinkedIn videos. And if you're a brand or a founder still ignoring it, you're missing out big time, and this episode is for you. Why does LinkedIn video matter in 2025? Videos get 3x more engagement than text, and that's a fact. LinkedIn is pushing videos, shows up, and creator content like never before. Organic reach is still strong. It's not pay to play yet. And if you're targeting decision makers, not just casual browsers, so this is the best option for you right now. LinkedIn video viewership has grown over 36% year on year as per a report. And then you would go ahead and ask what is working on LinkedIn video right now. So it's face to camera reels, something like this. Raw mobile short clips with honest POVs. Thought leader snippets also works wonders. A short 45 to 60 seconds video, one clear idea and good lighting, good audio, you're good to go. And narrated carousels. Obviously, carousels have always predominantly worked on LinkedIn. So start creating slide videos with voiceovers. So that just, ignites the retention. Again, I'll be there. Don't overproduce. Be authentic rather than being aesthetic. Have clear values rather than clearer transitions, right? If you provide value, that's what works on LinkedIn. And everything comes with a caveat, right? So what should you avoid? Posting the same video from Instagram without trimming or captioning, trust me, it will not work for LinkedIn. Long-winded intros. People scroll fast and people dislike faster. So if you are creating a video for LinkedIn, make it short. Don't stop at introducing yourself. Start with providing a value, which we call as hook. Start with that. Make people pause before you start, introducing yourselves if needed at all. And generic talking head videos with no point of view makes no sense. Trust me, if you don't have anything valuable to put ahead, don't even go for it. You need to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. That's like the cap you are sitting at right now. And if you haven't, you have already lost. Here's what we recommend, something which we follow ourselves. Ask a bold question or start with a strong POV. State a fact. Give a reason why for people to pause. In your main content, have one or two core insights. That's it. That's all you need. And to close, give a CTA, ask for opinions, not just follows, because you need engagement. Engagement is what thrives on LinkedIn. So if you ask, you give a good CTA, people will engage with your content, your video, and that allows more reach, more impressions, more engagement for you. And if an agency is still chasing Instagram followers and you are playing the wrong game, buddy, if you are in B2B sector, you should hop on LinkedIn right now. The reason being, LinkedIn is our number one inbound channel currently. At CreazionMedia, we have been coaching clients on LinkedIn first video frameworks that builds visibility without burnout. We have seen videos bring in leads, podcast collabs, and even investor interest, all from consistency and clarity. You don't need a studio, you need a strategy. That's where we come in. Here's the takeaway. Video is the future for LinkedIn, and the bar is still pretty low. Start posting before the feed gets saturated and you have lost the train. Follow me on LinkedIn and see how we're using video for visibility. Subscribe on YouTube, tag me in your next video, and I'll give it a go. I'll give it a boost. Next, we have Gen I and entrepreneurship. It's a game changer or a gimmick. Dropping soon on Let's Talk Digital. Thank you.